Alright, so let's talk about Wusik Mellody tool. Here I have Studio One, I have loaded Wusik Station 9 here, and also have loaded Wusik MEL, the melody tool, which allows you to do chords and melody progressions in a different way. And the first thing I have to do is be sure that I have enabled both tracks with the blue speaker here. And on Wusik Station, I have to change the input from all inputs to Wusik Mellody. Now, if I play a shard, it's going to play on the Wusik Station a shard. So okay, it's working. Let's go from the start. I'm going to click on menu, remove everything. So here's my starting point. And let's first try out the melody section. A melody section allows you to add a chord, and the white keys from this yellow point on is going to follow the chord. So let's add the MIDI input keyboard and output keyboard, so we know what I'm inputting on the keyboard. So I'm just playing the white notes. And if I go here on the melody and hold Ctrl, I can change the octave of the keys. Sorry, I'm playing a bit sloppy here. And I can also use the chord. So I just play to test the chord, and if I like, I just double click or use the right click, sorry. But here on options, you can also adjust the octave, so I want octave 1 instead. So that's a good chart. So I'm going to right click, and it populates the notes in here. I can also MIDI learn the key selection, which is going to select this melody in particular. The learn shards notes. So if I click learn shard notes, I can play my own notes, and so on. So okay, now I have so you can see here there's a red square. The red square tells which note is going to select this melody. So pressing this note is going to select this melody. So if I add another melody, so another melody sections, and I'm going to right click to determine which key is going to select it. So this key selects on the top, and this key selects on the bottom. So it is very easy to see. Now let's add a chord here. Okay, double click. So now we have the up one, the bottom, I'm just playing very fast with my finger passing through the keys. But we also have the option of shards instead of melody. So let me remove this guy here, and also this guy. And I'm going to add a shard section instead. And the shard section have a bit more options. So let me use the right button to determine which key is going to play this shard section. Let's use the same as I was using before. Now I'm going to select a chord. So let me see on my MIDI keyboard. Oh, here it is. I can add more notes if I want. And I can use the strum option. So now the strum option allows me, this is too slow, to just strum the notes. And I also have the option of changing the octaves, so it works like an arpeggiator. And I can also speed up the notes as they play. And also change the velocity. And I have some other options like random velocity, and I can change from in sync with the host. To just free sync instead. And I have also other options like the transpose down and up, octave down and up section. So let's say I add an octave down section. As I press down, it's going to change the notes. So let's add an octave up now. And also have the reset selection, the octave and transpose section, and also MIDI channel section. We can also change the MIDI channel. And what else we have here? We have the inline menu help, which has all the information you need on how to work with the plugin. And each section has this equal button here that has some options that you want to check depending on what you're doing, and you can also resize to any size you want. If you make it smaller, you're going to see this arrow key here to change the octave. But if you have some space left, just make it as large as possible so you can see all the keys, which helps out determining what's going on. And if you click on the Wusik logo, you get the version number. So it's very easy to use, but you can do some very complex things. You can mix the Mellody, shards, and transposing octave up and down, and get some nice options with that. And you also have the option to latch a shard. So it's going to hold the shard for you as long as you, in the case of latch, as you press the shard again, or if the case of hold, use the panic section to really reset everything. So I think that's it. So thanks for watching.